Welcome to the engineering behind our new frame, R9E. Your high-power variable speed drive designed specially for demanding applications like chiller and refrigeration compressor. At its core, the R9E is all about empowering your growth. This is the most compact wall-mounted drive on the market up to 355 kW. Perfect for segments such as industrial refrigeration, commercial refrigeration, data center cooling. The R9E can be mounted in different ways. These drives can be mounted directly to the skid of compressor. It can also be mounted horizontally to fit perfectly to the compressor structure without taking any extra space around the compressor. It can be mounted inside the cabinet thanks to the IP21 protected drive. And what's more, you can also have flange mounting available as option. With the R9E IP21 solution, now you can have flange mounting available as option as well. With the flange mounting, the customers can optimize the cabinet size, minimize the need for high capacity cooling, thereby offering a better thermal management, which delivers a smarter, compact and cost-efficient solution. Now let's talk about what truly sets the R9E design apart. It's the design that's built for ease of use. The R9E wiring terminal section is engineered for fast and easy installation. The new innovative wiring terminal design is modular in structure with the possibility of tilting the whole module on one side, ensuring easy cable routing, component accessibility and serviceability. The modular removable plates at the bottom of the drive, it offers flexible entry option without the need for disassembling the whole product. It allows easy maintenance and installation without the need for extensive disassembly. In addition, the control terminals are color-coded and clearly labeled. It helps to prevent any errors and also helps in tracing the connections at glance. When it comes to commissioning, our assistant control panel provides step-by-step guidance in plain text for faster and stress-free drive setup. R9E is also engineered for installation in toughest environment. Here you can see the EMC plate separating the input and output side, thereby improving the design from EMC point of view. The new R9E is fully compliant with the latest industry standards. With its compact footprint and optimized design, the new R9E extends your options for achieving higher power density, enhancing performance, while keeping your investment optimized. ABB's environmental product declarations are available for customers aiming to meet environmental targets, showcasing how R9E aligns with the sustainable practices. Let's recap. R9E is about empowering growth. The compact wall-mounted drive up to 355 kW with its flexible mounting, optimized cabinet space and easy skid integration. It's built for ease with a user-friendly modular wiring section that significantly reduces installation and maintenance time. And it's engineered for reliability, offering high IP rating like IP55, dedicated compressor cooling feature, A2L and A3 compliances, and EPDs for your environmental goals. Whether your project is a food and beverage plant, data center cooling, or commercial building, R9E delivers unmatched performance, simplicity, and peace of mind. Thank you for joining us for the engineering behind our new frame, R9E. To learn more, visit our Drives and PLC cooling compressor site. Empower your next project with ABB.